currently on our way to Quezon Province for a 4-day holiday, and I am with my best friend's family for the reunion, so I'm just being an apple here. Hi! So guys, andito na kami ngayon sa Quezon Province, sa lolo ni Charmaine. Hi guys! So paalis kami, papunta na po kami ngayon sa reunion nila. Saan nga yun?
Makalelon Resort.
Makalelon.
Makalelon ba yun?
Bye! So now we're headed to the event location with my little brother. Actually, he's my best friend brother, but I believe he's my brother too because why not? I feel like we're family anyway. Guys, this is a long journey since it's Del Mundo Grand Reunion Parade. A little bit hurt for butt.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys! So, pupunta kami ngayon sa reunion. As you can see guys, kumanta ako dito. Was not my plan. It's my best friend's fault. Hindi ko naman talaga intention to, pero nakakatawa lang. Tinulak niya kasi ako. Oh my god, nakakahiya.
Yeah, boy.
Oh my God! Wow!
This is my first time seeing such a happy family. Actually, a big happy family. And they are also a little bit, you know, galante. You guys already saw it earlier. I love their bonding because it's not like the other family. And you know what I mean.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! So we're here again. Papunta ulit kami ng beach today. This is our second day, of course. As you can see, malapit na kami sa dagat and there's so many people here. So, update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Bye-bye! Grabe, sobrang taas po ng tubig. And pupunta po kami doon sa may pangpang. Tara na guys! Ito po yung mga kasama ko. Ayan, ang mga babae naglulusong. Punta po kasi kami dun sa may konting buhangin. Kasi wala na talagang kabuha-buhangin dahil mataas ang tubig. Mataas ang tubig! Good morning guys! So we're going to Kamay ni Jesus because my best friend's family is so religious. So we're going to church today and exploring the forest later. So So, aakyatin lang namin to and then iikutin namin yung buong forest, guys. Watch it later. Sobrang lawak and sobrang ganda dito, guys. And maririnig mo lang is mga huni ng ibon. And sobrang relaxing niya, promise. So, andito na po kami. Iikutin po namin itong buong lugar na to. Dito po kami sa ang muling pagkabuhay ni Jesus.
Nabalik ba tayo dito?
Guys, ito kami sa loob ng gubat.
The other day na, walang katapusing pag, gala namin.
Eto na naman tayo. Papunta na naman tayong dagat. Alam ba sa kanila, ang lakas ng trip din namin palagi. Oo, sa totoo lang. Punta po kami ngayon sa dagat. Update ko na lang po kayo mamaya. Bye-bye! So ayun guys, we're having a great time on this vacation because we're doing a lot of stuffs, including a swimming at the beach and going for a reunion, take a walk to the forest. This is a memorable experience for me, for us rather. That's all. Thank you for watching.